Most people do not start because they fear competition. There is a competition and they believe that he has already established his business and we are late in the business, so we cannot beat the competitor. But the reality is actually uh, the reality is not that you cannot beat the competitor. You actually can beat a 20 times stronger competitor than you. So for that I have example of a monopoly game. You might have played monopoly game, monopoly board game. So what is the condition in monopoly board game? Whoever is a stronger player, whoever has more places, is considered as the winner of the game, because if he has 10 to 12 places and someone has only 2 or 3 places, the rule of the games are fixed. You cannot change the price of the places, you cannot change the price of the hotels or whatever houses built on the places. So whenever a player with low places come to the player with higher places or hotels, or he has built hotels or houses on that place, you have to pay the fixed amount. You cannot change the fixed amount. So the person who is already at the top is is getting stronger and stronger, and he wins the game. So the higher the chances of he has more chances of winning the game, and the person who has low places loses the game, because the prizes are fixed here in the game. So when a bigger person lands on the places of a smaller person, he has to pay but in simply 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, and this person is paying thousands and thousands rupees. So the disadvantage in the monopoly board game, that the prices are fixed, but the prices are not fixed in the real world. You can actually change everything in real world, and it's all about your mindset. Now how you can change everything, let me tell you. So how you can beat the real competitor in a real world? Unlike monopoly, in real world we have the dice and we can actually change and throw as per our wish. Now how actually in real world what happens, the competitor, let's say 10 times or 20 times bigger than us in startups, so you can actually beat that competitor by experimenting why your startup is not growing. You have the ability that you can actually take hundreds of trials and tests and experiments hundreds of times, and this is how you are going to actually understand what is working and what is not working. Right now what I am doing is also a part of my video experiment. I'm doing it this black and white. If you see all the videos of mine, this is the first time I'm doing it. So trials and errors are very important in startup world, and you will understand which idea is working and which idea is not working by taking so many of trials and errors. People just give up only trying 1 or 2 times, and they think, hey, this is not working, I'm not gonna do this, this is very hard, he is very strong. Actual condition is not this. Actual problem is your mindset. Your mindset is not strong. You're not able to take iterations. Maybe 20 times, 30 times I will fail, but 31th or 35th or 101th video will be the one video I will be looking for. But it's about you, how many trials and errors you are willing to take. So just don't give up. A monopoly game is a fixed game. The rules are fixed. Here rules are not fixed. We have the ability. We can actually change whatever we want. We can actually change the product. We can change the marketing. We can change the atmosphere, whatever we want. Just observe more and just don't give up and change your mindset. This is important at the first place. That's it.